the present day, let's prepare some red noodles. So let's go. So get to work. This time we will use 5 pieces of chicken. We will add a little salt, freshly ground pepper, and we will mix well so that all the flavor is incorporated. We add it to a container and refrigerate it. We will cut to very ripe tomatoes into 4 parts, removing this crown because it is not eaten. We will use an onion in large cubes. This way. 6 cloves of garlic, chopped, 2 carrots, to the cut that falls. In a frying pan, we will put a little oil. We add our onion. We add a little salt to help the cooking. Our 6 cloves of garlic. We add the carrot, all the tomato that we cut and move. We add to bay leaves. We move well. We let it caramelize for a few minutes. And we will blend, pre-chill, to help. Add a little vegetable stock and blend well. And we reserve. And in a pot we add 2 liters of water, a tablespoon of salt, and egg. No, this time you are not going to add oil, because it's a myth that the oil is used to prevent the noodles from getting tangled. On the contrary, it does not allow all the flavor to be absorbed that the sauce has. We add mushroom and bay leaf. We cover. Once it comes to a boil, we will add our kilo of pasta. We stir very carefully. Please don't go cover your pot. In this way you will avoid a disaster in the kitchen. After the time indicated on the packaging of your pasta, try and you will decide. And very carefully we will pass the pasta through a strainer. And please don't put it under cold water. Let it cool by itself. We will put a little of oil, and we will begin to seal our chicken. That was in reserve, remember, 1 sealed by 1 part. We will seal the chicken on both sides. And be careful. It looks fried but still needs a little cooking. And we remove very carefully. And in the same pot to collect the flavors, we add our panka chili, a little cumin, pepper, bay leaf, and previously blended. Mix well and add a little chicken stock. Let it boil for 5 minutes and add the chicken. That still needed a little cooking. We rectify the salt. We will proceed to cover, and in the same cover, we will add our dried oregano. After 5 minutes, we will roast well and remove our chicken. That is already well cooked. And we add all our pasta, so that it absorbs all the flavor of the sauce. And we return our chicken. It looks delicious. We cover and start eating. It looks very exquisite. Those noodles are accompanied, usually with guancena potato.